Well, so NATA admit card, then students, though they are writing exam from home, how was their mock test? Means though they have given the NATA mock test, center based student do not need to write, so you do not get panic and tense. Okay, why don't you have? Only it was for the student, though they are writing their exam from home. So they have given the test. So what happened in the test? Then the update is about, okay, some of you are having an error. Are you able to download or not? Any issue? That we'll discuss. And the most important, what will be the pattern for 12th entrance exam for part A and part B? So we'll discuss about that as well. So this is Krishnanand Singh, your mentor, coach. And now after your all requests, getting many call and messages, I thought, why don't I come and talk about all this? So make sure you watch the video and share with your friends. So let's start. So first thing, your admit card. You can just go and follow a NATA, official website to download your admit card, which previously how you have downloaded in 29th exams, it's the same way you are supposed to download your admit card. The step is very simple. You have to go on NATA official website. There you have to go and click on new. There the admit card will blink. On that one, once you will click, then you have to give your information, your registration detail. After that, once you will click, so it will be available for the download. You can download and you can take the print out of your admit card. So that is the admit card. Now the very special analysis which we need to discuss over here is about your today's test. The student, though they have given the test, students, it was just for trial, if you'd ask me, because it was the same question, same pattern what was there on 29th, before 29th exam. There was a test on 22nd to 25th, 26th. Everyone has given the trial mock test. So idea was, this mock test is just if somebody is writing the exam from home, are they having a proper system, or are they able to access it? They should not have any problem. So it's like a trial, how we are connecting, having a mini mock test paper for you students. You are writing the Ignite couple of mock paper. Same here, if you will see in this, it is very similar. It is very similar here. What is happening? It is as simple as that. They are getting all derived and all things here on a platform. Same questions are, is just the operation part they are learning. They are learning of the UI, okay, how this operate, press buttons, everything. So that's it. So do not need to worry about, nothing change was there in the test. So basis on this, the analysis what Ignite team has done, there is no pattern change for your exam. Maybe the similar pattern and question will come. So students, listen very carefully. I'm going to reveal this now. You can score 150 plus. Nobody is going to stop you if you are focused, calm, composed, and writing the multiple test of Ignite, watching the all test videos. Make sure, if you just reached to on channel, go back and watch our listed series videos which was for part A and the questions are, and make sure share with your all friend, though they are going to write the exam, because it's gonna be very beneficial and helpful for them. Because that is what the entire scenario is going towards. The pattern of the exam will be the same, and you are going to score really good. If you haven't, you have done, still you have a time. Make sure you contact, and we will make sure to give you the test paper multiple, which will help you to get the good score in your exam. So I'm clear, guys, here. So I would like to suggest you guys, do not get panic, do not get tense, do not worry at all. There's nothing change in pattern, which was on 29, similar pattern, and this word post exam. Make sure come back and let me know how was your paper is. So they will follow the all subtopic which was given there in their syllabus. Based on that, you will have exam. So make sure stay connected. Whatever the new update and analysis will come, that also I will come with that. If you want, I will come up with the secrets of the success with that video series also before your exam if you want. And the most important, I will come back before your exam to make sure that to tell you the 5 important things which you need to take care of your this 12th exam, so that you can score better. So if you want this thing video I should make sure you again message me, and better you message me here on Insta, in YouTube. Make sure press the bell icon button and share this video with your friends, so that we can the other videos will come to you. And do not forget to go and subscribe our Instagram profile also. There you need to go and follow and write your question over there, so our team will give you the free mock test paper just before your exam. So first step is you need to go and follow our Instagram page. Second step is, after following the Instagram page, if you want to attend our free mock on live, which is on our app, make sure that write your question and we will access those tests for you. So thank you so much for watching this video.